The Middle East is one of the world's fastest growing markets in the international financial arena. Now, here to tell us how one company has cemented its place in the region and beyond, John Iossifidis. Now, John, tell me about some of the regional expansion plans your bank has embarked upon.
I joined the bank in 2009, and the ambition at that time was really to grow international, because we realised that our UAE home base was going to be fairly limited in terms of our overall ambition. There's 52 banks in the UAE, so growth and competition is fierce. We wanted to grow beyond that, and in that 5 years we've opened in Bahrain domestically, opened in Kuwait, expanded into our presence in Egypt, and continued to expand in Qatar. And we've developed a global financial institutions business.
So tell me how demographic shifts have actually contributed to this transition.
Part of it is really for us was, as I said, strategy in terms of diversifying away. And our strategy is to follow our clients. And our clients have been regionalising, so the shift in terms of being a regional player and a regional bank have meant that we provide regional solutions to our clients as they grow outside of the UAE as well, because the UAE is a hub and Dubai is a hub, and you're actually seeing people moving into Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, and Egypt is back again now that we have some more stability after the recent change in government. We follow our clients east to west, and by that I really mean that China, Japan, Korea, India, as they do business firstly with the Middle East and secondly through the Middle East and into Africa. So we follow the trade flows and the investment flows as they go from East Asia to West Africa.
So as your non-UAE clients mature and expand as you just described, can you tell me what sort of services are they demanding from you?
Well, typically they want us to provide solutions. They want us to provide capital for them in terms of different investor bases. They want us to provide simple trade finance services and the ability to move their goods from China, or importation of commodities into Africa, or heavy machinery into the UAE as they continue to develop and invest in infrastructure.
Excellent. Now, what sort of investments are they particularly looking to tap into?
At the moment, we're seeing a lot of infrastructure investment happening in the Middle East, and that infrastructure investment is they're monetizing oil wealth at the end of the day, and we're seeing huge amounts of infrastructure investment to create jobs for the future, whether it's getting ready for Expo 2020 in Dubai, or whether it's becoming a tourist hub, or in Qatar getting ready for the Football World Cup. And they're also putting in infrastructure in terms of railways, airports, shipping ports, etc.
Now, we all know that the UAE as well as Dubai have really established their reputations as financial hubs. Tell me about some of the other emerging markets in the Middle East that are worth watching for.
I expect more investments coming into Qatar. You're seeing a play happen in Saudi Arabia for them be included in the index as we move forward. I think the other one really is with stability seeming to return into Egypt more broadly, and it really does depend on our business and our business model. To be honest, Turkey continues to be of great interest globally, and as I said, client base going from east to west and following those trade flows. Africa is of huge interest everywhere. China is of huge interest everywhere.
Exciting to watch as the industry expands its reach and Mashreq Bank's place in that. Thank you so much, John, for joining me today.
Thank you very much.